Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are unboxing December's Boxy charm. Yeah.
Did you like it?
I have certainly already been in and around this box. I just closed it back up to make it look like I've never opened it, but I've totally been in there and definitely used some of the products in there on my face today. So let's just get into it and I'll show you what I got. So I've been watching a few other videos of what people have been getting this month, and there's actually quite a variety of different things that people have been getting. So when I opened my box, I was actually happy that I got what I got because the other ones looked like nice and everything, but my box is the best. So when I opened up the box, the first thing that caught my eye was this Tarte lip gloss. This is the shimmering lip paint. First of all, I just love Tarte's packaging. I love Tarte in general, but it's one of those companies that I never buy anything from because, you know, I like to buy a lot of drugstore stuff. But when I get stuff from Tarte, it's extra exciting just because I love the packaging and it just seems extra glam to me. So I got a lip paint in the color Insta Famous. It looks like it has flecks of blue, pink, gold, all different flecks of shimmer. I'll put some on my lips for you guys. Oh, I'm definitely dirtying up this doe foot. So yeah, it's more of like a clear lip topper. So it's kind of a clear gloss with all the flecks of glitter in there. So I would probably do what I just did just now and apply lipstick and then put the gloss over top. Up next, we have a face mask by Cosmetics. This is a detox mask. Let's give it a good sniff. I can't describe the smell if I tried. Like, kind of smells like black licorice to me in a way. It's like a really hard scent to describe, but I love Cosmetics. I used a lot of products from them in the past, and it's just a really luxurious brand, very high quality, so I'll definitely be using this. Okay, up next we have a palette. I got two palettes in this box. That's why my box is the best box. But you guys know that I have like a palette obsession. Love them. They just like give me a rush. When I open a fresh palette like this, when I open a fresh palette, it just like, hear that crack? So this is the Wander Beauty Wanderess Dusk to Dawn palette. And inside we have two blushes and a highlight. I don't think I'm going to swatch this one though because I think I'll give it as a gift because although the colors look really beautiful and from the reviews that I watched on this, everybody said that it was really good quality and blended really nicely. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm probably going to give it as a gift for Christmas to my niece or something like that. She's just getting into makeup and I figured that this will make a good gift, but the reason why I'm not keeping it is because I have so many blushes and the pan sizes are just a little bit too weird for me to handle, like to fit my, I use a big fatty blush brush a lot of the time, this guy, and it's just too much. So I'm probably just going to re-gift that, but it is very beautiful and from the reviews that I've heard so far, it's a really great palette. I just have enough blushes under my belt. Almost forgot this. I totally forgot about this. This is the Bodyography lip liner and I definitely used this already. I actually lined my lips with it today. I do have a darker lipstick over it, so it's not this dark, but it's more of like a perfect nude shade. It is so creamy and just like the perfect nude shade in my opinion. I really love nude shades that have a little bit of pigment to them, so it's not like, you know, washing my lips out to make it the same color as my skin. It's got a little bit of like a kind of like a mauve undertone, which is right up my alley. And I saved the best for last, you guys. Another palette. This is the, oh my gosh, can I pronounce this? Protege. I don't know if that's how you pronounce that, but it's by Sava Beauty. Oh my gosh, I sound like a doofus. Like, don't listen to me. This palette's a little dirty because I actually used it to create the eyeshadow look that I'm wearing today. I used this shade right here, and I used this in my crease, and I used this in my inner tear duct. I did grab a couple shades from other palettes, but majority of the shades on my lids are from this palette right here. So I did consider regifting this palette as well before I swatched it, but then I saw a review and saw this color right here swatched, and it just, it drew me. It's just my like perfect go-to shade. It's kind of like a purpley taupey brown, just a really great everyday shade. Everything blends really, really nicely in this palette. It's very creamy, very blendable, and really pigmented too. So I actually used my finger with this shade right here, and it just like, it would blended like a dream. So there you have it. That's the December Boxy charm. If you guys like these types of videos, let me know, and I'll do one every single month. Otherwise, I'll try and incorporate it into a look. Let me know what you prefer. If you'd like to see a look with the products, or if you'd like to just see kind of a review. What's your style? What's your flavor? Let me know. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Hit that notification bell, and that will notify you every time that I post a new video, so that way you don't miss one. But again, thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.